Free response question 2, part B. Write an integral expression in terms of h for the average temperature of the oven between time t equals 0 and t equals 16. Estimate the average temperature of the oven using a left Riemann sum with 4 subintervals of equal length. Show the computations that lead to your answer. So the first part, write an integral expression in terms of h for the average temperature of the oven. So if I want average temperature of the oven, I have h of t, which is the temperature of the oven. So I want the average value formula. So average temperature of the oven would be 1 over b minus a. So we're looking for 0 to 16. So I want 1 over 16 minus 0 times the integral from 0 to 16 of the h of t function. So that is the integral expression for the average temperature. Now it says estimate this by using a left Riemann sum with 4 subintervals of equal length. So that means I'm going from 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16. You are always given the intervals to use. So a left Riemann sum says that we take the separation, so 0 to 4, times the value on the left, 65, plus 4 to 8, which is a separation of 4, times the value on the left, 68, plus 8 to 12, separation of 4, times the value on the left, which would be 73, and then lastly, plus 12 to 16, which is 4, times the value on the left, which is 80. Then, don't forget about the 1/16 in front. So I'm going to do all of that work, and that is going to get me the average temperature of the oven. Now, if you do a calculation, you got to use logic here and make sure that the average actually is somewhere in this range here, 65 to 90. All right, so this is a calculator question, so you can simplify the work here and use your calculator. So we use our calculator. 4 times 65 plus 4 times 68 plus 4 times 73 plus 4 times 80. Now, if you hit enter here, you get 1144. Hopefully, you're not giving that as your answer because that is not the average temperature. If you divide by 16 or multiply by 1/16, you get 71.5, which seems like a pretty reasonable average temperature given these values.